Hi, I am Johnson Kunjuin, Operations Manager of Ventura Systems Private Limited, Technopark, Kollam. Ventura System is one of the first companies to start operating in Technopark, Kollam in January 2014. We are having resources and expertise in SAP solutions, SAP support, mobile app development, and web applications. We have consultants supporting clients on Microsoft Identity Manager, Microsoft Azure, and we provide required consultation on IoT and blockchain solutions, which is prominent nowadays. Ventura Systems support clients from across 4 different continents. Majority of our clients are from Africa and Middle East, especially from Saudi and Dubai. Our vision is to be one of the top IT service firm and to provide software development and support to our customers in an utmost way and to exceed their expectations. We have a lot of talents in Kerala, especially in IT field. But unfortunately, there's a brain drain happening in Kerala now, as most of are working abroad or out of Kerala. The reason is it's difficult to get a job in hometown. So when our MD, Mr. John, decided to open Ventura Systems, he was determined to open it in Technopark, Kundara. Because myself, John, and most of our guys are from or around Kundra. We are all well aware that once the Technopark is in full swing, it could provide more jobs and opportunities for the young talents in and around this place, which will help to settle down for those guys in home ground, which is very good. Will support our community, whole community. So there is a level of emotional attachment and a sense of belongingness in keeping the good relation with this park. Technopark holds one of the best built in and around Kollam town. On the bank of a lake, rich in natural beauty, we always take pride of showing the surrounding photographs and videos to our clients across the globe. And they are all surprised to see such a great IT park in the midst of greenery, lakeside. And also, we should admit that brand Technopark has given us a great address to showcase Ventura System across the globe. We are proud to be a part of this stream, and we could also grow along with the park. We always got a great support from the park authorities. Being the major educational hub, Kerala is always blessed with a lot of young talents. We are always able to get the right talent in the right time in this around this area, who all are willing to commit for long-term work relations. Also, the work environment in Technopark helps the staff to continue with us. I remember some of the get-togethers in the park was really remarkable, especially Onam and other celebrations. Regarding the work-life balance, here in Technopark, this is one of the peaceful place to work. Being a town, but away from the crowd, compared to busy cities, park provide a very cool, peaceful environment. Much greenery, lake view. I think this is one of the major factors our staff would love to continue working here in the park. Regarding the adaptability during this pandemic, as we all know, COVID-19 was never expected. We also had some hiccups at the beginning. But as the says, where there is a will, there is a way. As a part of the adaptability, we have identified areas where we could get more work outsourced, especially ERP supports. One of the major things happened was the client who were adamant to provide only on-site work earlier now supporting offshore and remote work modules. Due to COVID 19, this is one of the key aspects which each and every company should looking forward. Investing in Technopark is one of the best decision for the business. As companies to grow with the Technopark. As I mentioned earlier, it is great to have an address of your company under the Technopark banner. Also, it is easy for startups or bigger firms to use the plug and play solutions which is already set up by Technopark. Infrastructure is already there. You can just start without any hassles. I presume Kerala got a lot of potential to be the IT hub of India and across the globe. I could affirm that due to many reasons like good infrastructure, buildings, roads, transportation, and good talents could be acquired within short time span. Also, the major one is across the globe, many big companies are now looking for outsourcing their IT as a key aspect for survival during this pandemic. Places like Kerala with a lot of potential should utilize this opportunity. I presume such business will be the way forward. Thank you everyone for giving me an opportunity to express our opinion.